Hey everybody, Cap here. A little bit of a different video today. What I'm looking for from anybody who sees this video is a little assistance, a suggestion. For 10 or maybe 12 years, a late friend of mine and I were regular attendees at the former Knob Creek machine gun shoot. While the Knob Creek gun range is still in operation, the family who own it are no longer willing to host the twice yearly machine gun shoot. Over the course of the 50 years that they did it, it grew from just a few people on the main firing line to, well, a monstrosity that was dominating their lives and their actual business. Many of the family members live on the grounds, and having 20,000 people in your backyard twice a year. So COVID finally did what certain politicians and government agencies wanted to do for years, and that's kill off the machine gun shoot. So what I'm looking for from you, if you know of a legal civilian machine gun shoot here in the United States, please, down in the comments section, the name, what month is usually held, and where it's held. I'm really looking for a new vacation trip to take. I want to be clear, I'm not looking for a gun store that has a range that rents machine guns. Knob Creek was a massive outdoor venue. They had the main firing line. They had a gun store, but they had a gun show. They had a lower range where you could rent machine guns and submachine guns. They had an infantry fire line set up. If you wanted to, you could walk to one of the other lower ranges and you could spectate at the National Submachine Gun Match. They had American Huey 369 there every October, and you could get helicopter rides. People who wanted to camp could do so. You didn't have to leave the grounds for the entire time you were there if you wanted. So that's the type of event I'm looking for, preferably in the eastern half of the United States. I was driving 12 hours one way, so that is not an issue. I don't care if I have to drive 12, 14, 18 hours one way. That's fine. But I'm looking for a multi-day event that I can attend once or maybe even twice a year, and your assistance is greatly appreciated. Thanks everyone. We'll see you later.